Today we learn about the if and else statement. If else if statement, where you can have more than two conditions. Like, let's start. Firstly, we take a variable age, assign any value. Then if condition let age less than 10 years, less than equal to 10 years, terminate and print you are a child. Now write else if condition age less than 18 years. Now we change the value of if 14 to 10. Print you are teenager. Third condition, write again elif, elif condition age less than 58 years. Terminate, print you are adult. Now next condition, again write elif age variable name greater than equal to 58 years. Then you can say print you are senior. Here you can see there are four values. If we will run this 25, then you are adult. Or if we will change the value 65, then output will be you are senior. Okay. Now if we want to take input from the user, mean take age from the user, then you can use input command. Value should be in integer format. How can I write it? I will show you. Go to the on top. In age variable, write age equal to integer type variable, braces start, input, again bracket start, and you can write here please enter the age.